Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling irie because we have another. Okay, we're going to explore another mini picker card for you today. In today's mini picker card, we're exploring what does he think of me? So let's get straight into it.
One guarantee. T-Sippers, one guarantee. T-Sippers, one guarantee. Welcome, T-Sippers. Yeah.
So we have pile one, pile two, and pile three. Go to that number that's calling you. And if you are new here, welcome, welcome. Come on in today's read. And to our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up yourselves every time. So we're going to explore and see what messages want to come through for the collective. We have some messages already here from the Feelings for You deck, okay? So we're going to have a look and explore, do a little bit of an investigation regarding this person. It could be the person on your mind, a specific person. How does he feel? What does he think of me? Okay, so before we begin, let's bring in some good energy into the readings. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, pile one, pile two, or pile three. Okay, go to that number that's calling you, or if you want to go and explore another number, feel free to do so. Feel free to do where you feel guided, okay, to do so. So we'll see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile one and we're exploring what does he think of me, okay? For the collective, you chose pile one. So if you are new here, okay, welcome, welcome, come on in. I hope you've got a nice cup of tea, get comfortable. And for our subscribers, big up, big up, big up yourselves every time. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. So let's get straight into it and let's see Wagwan. Wagwan simply means what is going on in Jamaican patois. And we're going to explore, okay? So, what does he think of me? These are the cards that came through. I'm afraid to lose you. I'm afraid to lose you. Ay, ay, ay. You are the reason behind my smile. I still remember our first date like it was yesterday, Okay? So there is a lot of messages coming through, okay, from this person on your mind, okay? It could be a crush, it could be a current love interest, it could be someone from your recent past. Take the messages where it resonates, but it does feel like this person is in deep thought when they think of you, okay? So let's pull out a Jamaican proverb and then we'll go on to the tarot and see what the tarot wants to tell the collective. So what does he think of me? What does he think of me? What does he think of me? Oh, we have. Okay, we have the peacock hide him foot when him hear about him tail. Now this is the energy. Okay, the peacock hides its feet when it hears talk or conversation about its tail. This is the energy about pride. Okay, there's an energy of pride here. Being too proud stops you from growing. Don't stop yourself from learning. Okay. Ooh, that sounded a little bit weak. We had to do it again, okay? because there's some intuitive gems coming through here, and we see I'm afraid. I'm afraid to lose you. You are the reason behind my smile, and I still remember our first date like it was yesterday. So that definitely feels like an energy of someone. Perhaps they've been them, if we see the Five of Wands, okay, I wouldn't be surprised. But it feels like perhaps there might have been some disagreement. It feels like someone's not, or the Four of Pentacles. There might have been someone holding back their feelings. It could also be, I feel like there could be a level of stubbornness, a level of immaturity, and taking accountability, taking that accountability for their actions, owning up. Again, stop being proud to, say if you're wrong. It definitely feels like there's an energy of like, you know what, I got a lot more growing up to do. Okay, let's have a look and see what the tarot wants to tell us. Okay, so for the tarot, reveal to the collective who chose pile one messages from this person. Could be the person on their mind right now. What does he think of me? What does he think of me? Okay, what does he think of me? For the collective who chose pile one, what does he think of me? What does he think of me? Somebody's trying to come through. What does he think of me? Look at this. So we have the Death card in reverse. The Death card in reverse. So this could be somebody where there is kind of like a stagnant energy between you and this person. Okay, I feel like they want it to fall back into this energy where things are growing. So it could perhaps be someone who's distant to you. However, if you and this person are not in contact, I feel like them thinking about you is what helps them to feel that they are still engaging with you. Okay, I feel like this person could be sending you a lot of messages telepathically. You might be sensing a lot of their energy. Okay, it definitely feels like that. There could also be someone who's looking back, reflecting. Okay, this energy has been coming up strong in the reads of late, and wants to make contact. Okay, there's definitely energy with number one. Okay, part for pile one, number one in numerology represents energy of new starts, new beginnings, new leaf, new chapter. So there's definitely an energy of someone is recognizing their ways. Okay, there's definitely with the Jamaican proverb coming through this energy of being proud, not owning up, not taking that lead. Okay, look at this. Well, we have the Four of Wands here. So they really want you both to be in this energy. Look at this. Okay, new energy, new start, new beginnings. They do want this. But we have the Page of Cups in reverse. Okay, and I feel like the Page of Cups in reverse. Okay, there's a message here that it could be someone that's the person that could be coming through right now is somebody that there hasn't been or very little contact or very little hints. Okay, if this is a crush, it's like it's almost like they tried or do their best to make it not possible for you to read them. Okay, like, or read their body language or sense what's going on. Okay, but we can see with the Four of Wands they do want something more. Let's have a look and see what's this in the middle. We have the Ace of Swords. So there's definitely an energy of not a lack of clarity, here. Okay, and I feel like it's an energy. Even the fact that it's the message, trying to get this message to come through. Rewind. It feels like someone might be trying to figure out what they want to say. Now, we are currently in that energy of Mercury retrograde, and it can impact. It could impact communication. Okay, anything to do with communication, technological communication. Okay, you name it. And I feel like this person is sitting, thinking, hoping that you will pay them time or give them time, give them attention. Okay, But I feel like this person knows that they need to, gonna pull from the middle, look at this. They need to, there's definitely an energy of someone has to make a leap. Because it's like this person has thoughts, and perhaps it could also be like they want to make this conversation, but it's also a fear of what if it doesn't go as planned. Okay, because it's like with the four of wands being here, let's see what's behind the four of wands, the fool in reverse. It's definitely an energy of remembering this, remembering like the good, but there is also like an energy of wanting to stay in that energy. But at the same time, to get to the four of wands, there's got to be some doing energy, and it definitely seems like there's not enough doing energy. Even the fact that the death came in reverse, it's like this person is looking, they're looking. I'm afraid to lose you. It's like they're scared of making a step. They're scared of doing things, okay, doing things which can then enhance this connection. It feels like it's coming from a place of fear. Okay, so let's have a look now. We can see the four of wands is what they want. They want things to be in alignment. Let's have a look into some more messages from the feelings for you, deck. Let's have a look and see what wants to come through. Why is this person this what does he think about me? Why are these feelings or fears or these thoughts coming through? For the collective who chose pile one, reveal the messages the collective need to see. Reveal the messages the collective need to see. Oh, we have quite a few. Oh, collective, what are you sipping on as well? Let us know, put it in the comments. I've got just water today. Well, I've got tea as well. Some raspberry tea and some water. So let us know, put it in the comments. Okay, although this one, yes, there's a lot of messages here, collective. We have my feelings for you are still as strong as ever. I still hope for a second chance. So it is definitely an energy of someone who's, this could be someone that you are currently, there's limited contact, no contact, or there's been a separation of some sort, okay, or there's kind of been a quiet period, okay. Do I ever cross your mind? And this is something like I feel like they really want to know. Again, it's something they really want to find out if you feel the same way about them. I cherish every moment we had together. I cherish every moment we had together. I'm not good enough for you. So it's like this person's going through a lot of emotions, okay? And it could be the reason why they hold themselves back. Look at this. I yearn for your touch. Okay, so what are you getting? Because we saw the Ace of Swords earlier in the reverse position. This is kind of really telling us where this person's mind is at. It's like they're quite wobbly in their emotions. You are the only one who could ever make me feel complete. You see this? My heart aches for you. So it definitely feels like it could also be an ex that still hasn't haven't got over you. You are the missing piece of my heart. You are the missing piece of my heart. I'm sorry for hurting you. Your happiness is my happiness. I wish things were different between us. And I'm working on becoming a better you. I'm working on becoming a better person for you. So we're going to have a look at a quick before we come to a close, just have a look at a message and see what wants to come through for the collective who chose pile one. So what does he think of me? So we can see this person definitely has a lot of thoughts. They're thinking about you very much. But there's an energy of like this person has to work on themselves. And I feel like it's definitely an energy of confidence. Okay, because it's like they're stuck in this stagnant energy of just thinking, but they've got to start moving. Look at this. We have ownership. Oi, 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 oi. You acknowledge, look at this. You acknowledge your misdeeds and accomplishments alike and learn to love them as all lessons. So this is definitely like an energy of like this person, okay, has to kind of get over this kind of, I feel like it's like they have to get over things by taking accountability, learning, reflecting, and doing better. Okay? Doing better. So if you've been sensing that intuitively, okay, it's definitely that this person has been intuitively trying to kind of bring you in. So we're gonna give you just an additional little read before we come to a close with the romantic oracle. Okay, show us their love energy towards you right now. We have keep an open mind. So keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. We have finance and career. So financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. So perhaps with you and this person, perhaps there could have been a financial differences. Perhaps it could be someone who's trying to work, someone who's trying to build something, and perhaps they may have not always invested the time as much as they wanted to, and that could have caused some issues, especially with those feelings of being too proud, recognizing that they are stopping themselves from growing. But with this energy, it's definitely like someone wants to come forward. Okay, look at this, the love is in reverse, but then the energy of the Eight of Pentacles, everything is like there's this energy of lack of clarity, the energy of the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So it's definitely an energy, and I feel like this is you. This is who they want. This is who they want. But look what's behind it. Look what's behind it. It's the Knight of Cups in reverse. They're not offering their cup. So then what? How can they expect anything to prosper from this? And that's evident with the Ace of Wands. Okay, not in the energy of not Nagwan, because they're not making anything happen. And this is where they are. They're in this energy. And it's like they're pushing themselves to come forward. Really pushing themselves with the Knight of Wands to take action. Because from what we could see, there's not a lot of action taking place. And being honest, being transparent, okay, letting go and being transparent. So, for the collective who chose pile one, take the messages that resonate and leave. Leave the rest. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Pat One. It simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, and do have a look at all of the readings available at Wagwan and at, let's rewrite that again at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. The only, okay? So, see you on the next one, and Wagwan. Wagwan, people. Wagwan tea sippers. Wagwan me generals. So we have pile two, and we're exploring what does he think of me? Okay, so if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in, get nice and comfortable. I hope you've gotten nice tea or a drink or a beverage of your choice, so you can just keep feeling nice and hydrated as we gather these juicy, juicy gems. And for our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe, to Wagwan Tarot. All right, let's get straight into these reads and see Wagwan. Okay, Wagwan is Jamaican patois and it simply means what is going on. We have "Oi, oi, oi, oi. Your love is like a beacon guiding me home. I feel like you are slipping away from me. Okay, I want to be with you, but I'm scared." So it feels like there is several energies coming through in this read, okay? It definitely feels like somebody who, it could be a crush, a current love interest, someone from the recent past, okay? They could be in this mixed emotions, mixed feelings, okay? So let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb and see what message wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 2. What does he think of me? What does he think of me? What does he think of me? We have Doppy know who be frightened. Doppy is the energy of like a entity, like a ghost entity or like a spirit energy, intimidating energy. Okay, so think of like a bully or someone who can be very maybe passive aggressive or aggressive. Okay, and it can perhaps throw some people off. Now, I feel like there's an energy of your energy is very intimidating, okay? And I feel like this, and it not even to say like intimidated in aggressive nature, but I feel like this person, there's an energy of like very captivating, and I feel like it throws this person into this kind of oblivion of overthinking, over trying to compensate for that lack of confidence that they have. Okay, there's definitely an energy of like confidence coming through. Okay, so it's like an energy of bullies know who to pick. They try to look for those weaknesses, and I feel like this person could be wondering like this. I feel like this person's weakness is their feelings for you, so that it's like they could be appear very confident. However, I feel like when it comes to their feelings, that is it's like an area where they try to hold. It's like it could be like a crush that's coming through, and it could also be someone who's trying to someone who has a lot of feelings, but they don't want to give it away as of yet. Okay, so let's have a look and see what the tarot cards want you to know. So what does he think of me? For the collective who chose pile 2, what does he think of me? Okay, what do you need to know? Okay, what does he think of me? If it's trying to come through. Ooh, yes, we have. So yes, look at this. Oi, 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 oi. We have the measure of the devil. Perhaps you could be dealing with a Capricorn energy. Okay, but I feel like this person. Okay, it's like they're getting themselves caught up in this. It's like a web of overthinking, and it's almost like they're trying to constantly keep thinking for the worst. Okay, let's have a look and see what's at the front. Yes, we have the King of Swords in reverse. Now, the King of Swords upright, look what's behind it, the burden energy with the Ten of Wands. The King of Swords represents an energy of like logical thinking, okay, really being at your prime when it comes to seeing things clearly. Okay, the King of Swords has that energy. It's in the reverse position, and if it's look how it's next close to the Ten of Wands. So this is an energy of someone who is feeling stuck in that feelings. Okay, really stuck in those feelings, and with the wands representing that sexual energy as well, it could be that they are stuck. It's like a lot. I feel like it's a lot of pent up frustration. Okay, and at the back we have this energy the Seven of Pentacles. So perhaps this could be somebody from your past. It could be someone who, like a crush or current love interest, that is wondering if you feel the same way. It could be someone like beating themselves up thinking, oh, I should have said this, I should have said that. Why didn't I tell? We'll call you Jane. Why didn't I tell Jane how I truly feel about her? Why did I'm beating around the bush? Or they know they wanted to say something, but then perhaps were mesmerized by you. Okay, I feel like it could also be this energy that perhaps this person may have been rejected in the past, perhaps they may have been mistreated in the past, and I feel like it could be this energy of someone's like saying, oh, as much as I admire Jane, maybe I'm not good enough, I'm not this, I'm not. So it's like they may go into this kind of whirlwind of talking themselves out of things, but I feel like it could be also some kind of coping mechanism that they may have developed along the way to kind of accept that if they don't get picked, then it's like training their mind to be okay with being rejected. I hope that's making sense. Okay. We're gonna pull from the middle. Yes, look at this. We have the Strength card, and we have the Ace of Wands. Yes, trying to come through. So it's definitely an energy of someone. And look what's behind it. The Five of Swords in reverse. It's definitely someone who is. There's definitely like an energy of feeling like they're not worthy, not good enough. Okay, not good enough. So let's have a lot deeper into those feelings and see where these feelings are coming from with their feelings for you deck. What does he think of me? Okay, reveal the messages that the collective need to see right now. Okay, and it's also falling on pile two, and two represents the energy of balance. Okay, alignment. So it's definitely an energy of that how they're thinking is not in alignment with what they actually want, what they actually desire. Okay. So you could also be sensing in that they desire you, but how they're moving it could come across as if they're not. Okay. But that's not the case. So let's have a look. Reveal those messages. What does he think of me? What does he think of me? What does he think of me? What does he think? Look at that. A lot of messages coming through. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Okay, we'll take that one. Thank you. Oi, 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 oi. So there's quite a few messages coming through. What are you sipping on today? Let us know. Put it in the comments. Okay, I've got some water and some berry tea for this quick little read. Okay, as we explore how they feel. So I still remember our first date like it was yesterday. So they could be focusing on lots of things, but then look, we have this energy with the Ace of Wands. They're not. It's not. It's not in the position of. It's like it's a stagnant energy if it's in the other way. Okay. Your voice your voice is the sweetest melody to my ears. Okay. I wish we could relive our happiest moments. Okay. You were everything. You were my everything, and now you are gone. So it's definitely someone who is looking at you and remembering the good old days, remembering all these little bits. I long for the day when we can be together again. You mean more to me, more than you'll ever know. I'm not good enough for you. Do you see this? It's coming through. Waiting for you is the hardest thing I've ever done. And I feel like that's that energy that we saw with this 10 of Wands energy, this burden energy. Okay, it's really stressed, really overwhelmed with how they're thinking and feeling. You're my safe place. You are my safe place. I've been trying to move on, but it's not working. It's not working. Can we try again? Again, always trust your intuition, use your discernment. Okay? I can't imagine my life without you. I yearn for your touch. And we can kind of see that big D energy with the Ace of Wands. Okay? So there's definitely energy that I feel like this person could be in their late night thoughts. We're gonna keep it clean and classy. But I think I feel like there is a lot of intention, frustration. I still hope for a second chance with you. So they really hope. Okay, could be someone that you've been in distance with for a while. Okay, and they're still hoping that there is a chance. Although collective, we always say, always trust your intuition, use your discernment. I think about you more often than I should here, and this is the energy that's coming through with the devil in reverse. It's this overthinking. It's like they kind of it's kind of now created a very imbalanced energy, okay, for them. You are the one I want to come home to. You are the one I want to come home to. I can't help but regret my actions. Here it is, really coming through. Ay, 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 ay. You are always in my thoughts. You are always in my thoughts. So let's have a look and see what wants to come through for the collective from these love oracle messages. What does he think of me for the collective who chose pile 2? What does he think of me for the collective who chose pile 2? Thank you. We have humility. Look at this. You have developed the loving awareness that you and everyone else are the same, but on different paths. Okay? So you are the same, but on different paths. And I feel like this is the energy of like, you both want the same things. However, what we can see from the tarot, from the feelings of you, from the Jamaican proverbs, it being here, this person does want you in. Okay? If you've been wondering, that's not a doubt. However, this person could be it's like they're drawn to you, but it's also it's like they're moving in a fearful way, overthinking. Okay, and I feel like there's energy of trusting your intuition, use your discernment. Okay, perhaps it could be that you're very intuitive, and that could be what is also making this person feel like, oh, am I good enough? Okay, perhaps they could be wondering how you might be able to sense their energy around you. Right, let's have a look at the romantic oracles and see what messages want to come through. Okay, what does he think of me? Ooh, look at this. Ay, 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 ay. We have two messages here. Okay, there's a soulmate energy coming through, and there's an unrequited energy. So again, this is what we've been seeing because we see the strength card. Okay, let's see what's behind the strength card. We have the Knight of Swords. So there's definitely a haste energy coming through, but then it's this energy of there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. And I feel like this coming through. I feel like this person is because they're not taking action. And because they're not taking action, I feel like this person is like there's an energy of this person sabotages a lot. Okay? So it's like before they can even take that time, it's like they may be attracted and then they talk themselves out of why they should be in a connection, why they should be in this union. Okay? And I feel like that's really what's coming through. and they may stay in their late night thoughts as their way of dealing with their reality. Okay, take the messages where it resonates, collective. Okay, but I feel like it's definitely coming from a place where this person may have been rejected or mistreated in the past, and their way of dealing with that energy is trying to convince or tell themselves that it's okay. It's okay to be rejected, okay, before someone does do it. I'm drawn to the inner child card, so we're gonna have a look and see, because it definitely feels like it's coming from a root chakra place, a a solar plexus. So think of the like self-esteem and confidence. Let's have a look and see where this is coming from, just to close this read, okay, of what does he think of me. For the collective, we chose pile 2. Look at this, look at this, look at this. It's a self-worth energy, self-worth energy, okay, and this is why it's really coming through. It's an energy of lack, it's a lack energy, not feeling that they're good enough, not feeling that they're worthy. This is what's creating this devil energy around them. Let's have a quick read. Self-worth is fully developed by learning to love ourselves totally and unconditionally as we are. Through this divine love, we become more of who we really are. This is not selfish love, not at all. It is an honoring of our sacredness and our need for nurturing and sometimes space just to be and enjoy life fully because we deserve it. The affirmation: I am truly worthy as a beloved and sacred child of light. And I feel like this message, okay, is what this person really needs to hear, and really need to like tell them that they, and value themselves. So it's like this energy of, you know, they attract soulmate energies, but then they go into this, energy of feeling like, oh, maybe it's unrequited. Maybe it's not enough. Maybe I'm not enough. Okay? So, for the collective who chose pile 2, take the messages where it resonates and leave. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go is Jamaican patois, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. So do have a look at all of the readings available at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, and we'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan mid generals. So we have pile 3 and we're exploring what does he think of me. So if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in, get nice and comfortable. And for our subscribers, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan and Tara and Tea. So let's get straight into this read and see Wagwan. I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage to keep you feeling nice and hydrated. I've got some raspberry tea and water. Let us know what you are sipping on. Put it in the comments. Okay, let's get straight into it. Right, and see Wagwan. Wagwan is Jamaican patois and it simply means what is going on. Okay. Oi, 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 oi. We have I I should have fought harder for us. I should have fought harder for us. So it's definitely someone who's looking, reflecting, okay? It's definitely this time of year where, people could look and reflect on things, and it feels like it's really coming through very strongly in the reads. I dream about you every night. Ay, 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 ay. I dream about you every night. What a confession. I'm trying to be better for you. So this feels like a very much a reconciliation energy coming through. Somebody wants to make things right. Someone wants to make contact with you. Someone wants to engage. Someone wants to, I feel like this is a person that wants to be consistent. Okay, there's definitely an energy of someone wanting to step up, and it does feel like this is somebody that you have there's definitely a connection with you and this person. Okay, and someone is trying to rekindle that connection. Oi, 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 oi. It has also fallen on pile 3. And pile 3, okay, or number 3 represents that energy of growth and expansion. Think of like a seed, and adding some water, and having the sun to let that seed start to prosper. And I feel like this is what this person wants to do. They want to start planting seeds. Okay, we'll keep it clean and classy. Not them kind of seeds, but I feel like there's energy of someone wanting to plant little seeds, letting them grow, and letting that be consistent. Okay. Oi, 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 oi. So let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb and see what messages want to come through for the collective. What does he think of me? What does he think of me? For the collective who chose pile 3. Something's trying to come through. I feel like it was this one. Yes. Oi, 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 oi. Today for me, tomorrow for you. Today for me, tomorrow for you. This is the energy of, taking time to learn lessons. Perhaps you might, have a win today. Perhaps you might lose, or to lose tomorrow, or vice versa. But it's recognizing that there's a cycle. And I feel like this person is like learning. There's an energy of this person is taking time to learn and wanting to grow, wanting to work on things, make things right. Okay? Life has ups and downs. So cycles, gratitude, reflect. You see this energy is really coming through. Reflection. Okay? Do you have a look at the channeled messages, the channeled love messages, because there was a strong energy of reflection coming through into the reads. We'll put it in the description, okay? The link will be in the description. So let's have a look now and see what the tarot wants to tell the collective who chose pile 3. What does he think of me? Channeling this energy that's coming through. What does he think of me? Okay. What does he think of me? What does he think of... Woo! That has never happened before. One has flown over. That has never happened before. There's a lot of energy here. A lot of energy. Okay? So we're gonna just have a quick look and see what's at the front. Ay, 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 ay. Someone here is definitely in this energy of the 9 of Cups, but it's in the upright position. So this is really telling us someone has taken some time to work on themselves, recognize the importance of self-love, self-worth, really taking that time to, I feel like it's also lessons, wanting to come and tell you how they've been learning, doing better. Again, planting those seeds for success. And I feel like it could be representing, the cards are representing all areas of their life. And I feel like this person really wants to be transparent, be straightforward, and tell you how they feel. Look at this. We have the 10 of Cups. So it's definitely an energy of someone who really, really wants to have and build a successful union, a successful connection. They want things to expand. Okay, think of a couple, it's like making those little leaps of faith, those steps, having children, having your home, building together, growing together. Okay, we definitely have here. Look at this. Ay, 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 ay. We have the Four of Wands. So there's definitely an energy of someone really wanting to have and be in alignment, and I feel like it's also wanting to find out if that's how you feel. So if it's, it's somebody, perhaps it could have been like a separation or a crush or a current love interest. They definitely have the intentions of they want things to grow between you two. And I feel like it could also be an energy of someone's maturing, someone's stepping up, someone is being consistent, okay, and wants to continue and build that consistent in this union as well. Ooh la la. So I'm going to quickly go and find that card because that's never happened before. Okay? So, but there's definitely a lot of energy here. Ooh la la. Ooh la la indeed. And let's have a look what's behind. Ay, 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 ay. The Two of Cups. So it's definitely an energy of someone who wants to be in alignment with you. Look at that with the Two of Cups, and we have the Ten of Cups here. And I've quickly picked up the card, and the card is the Six of Wands. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, and and it was in its upright position. So this is definitely someone who's really wanting you to see what they're about. I feel like this person really wants to be honest with you. They really want to tell you how they feel, and they're really hoping that you want the same things with them. This energy of the six, okay, represents harmony. I feel like this person really hopes that their lessons learned and that they can exchange those lessons with you, express, learn, take accountability, take ownership. There's definitely an energy of taking ownership and being real with you. So let's have a look with some of these messages and see what messages want to come through for the collective who chose pile 3. Okay, there's a lot of energy here. Hopefully we don't have too many flyaways that fly completely off the table. Okay, it didn't even fly away. Or like just on or dropped on the floor. It flew completely away. Okay, right. Messages for the collective who chose pile 3. Okay, any more? Any more? Last shuffle. Thank you. So we have quite a few messages for the collective. Let's have a look and see what juicy messages are in store for you. So we have, I've been writing about you in my journal. So this is definitely an energy of manifesting, wanting to manifest, wanting, it could also be looking back, reflections, taking accountability. It definitely feels like that energy is here. Okay. I'm sorry if I ever took you for granted. Okay. Being honest with you, being transparent. Okay. As they exchange their cup, being real. Okay. We have the Page of Swords in reverse. I mean, the Page of Pentacles in reverse. But I feel like it's an energy of with it in this position and seeing from the cards that we've seen. I feel like it's a message of someone is. It's like they're trying to show you, I want to be real and be work swiftly. Okay. Yes, because we have the Ace of Swords, the Temperance, but we have the World. So it could be like perhaps this person might want to express to you, I might not have all the answers right now. I might not be where I or always have everything, like all my ducks in a row, but I know this is what I want. I know this is how I feel, and I'm learning. I feel like, again, because those messages are behind the cups, I feel like this is what the person, I feel like this person, it could be the person on your mind, right now. I feel like they want to tell you the lessons that they've learned with like all these messages behind here. It's like as they exchange that cup, they are telling you, they are expressing what they've learned, recognizing life has ups and downs, reflecting, being thankful. Okay. I still remember the taste of your lips. Ooh la la. Okay. Ooh la la. I'm sorry for hurting you. I'm sorry for hurting you. Okay. I want to tell you how I feel, but I don't know how. Your happiness is my happiness. I can't help but feel jealous when I see you with others. Interesting. And I feel like it is again exchanging those feelings, okay? The good and the bad, taking account. It does feel like this person wants to take accountability. You are the missing piece of my heart. Take the messages where it resonates and leave the rest. Your love is the only thing I crave. Oh la la. You're the one. You are the only one who could ever make me feel complete. And I feel like what they mean by feeling complete is like they may have dreamed or envisioned having a wonderful life or like living the dream with you. Okay? I'm sorry for not being able to give you what you deserved. I'm working on becoming a better person for you. You're the person I compare everyone else to. Interesting. Do I ever cross your mind? Okay, let's have a look at a message here from the Love Oracle deck. Okay, let's see what kind of powerful love messages from this Oracle deck. What does he think of me? Oh, I feel like we have three here. Let's have a look. We have humility. This came through for the collective who chose pile one. So do have a look. Collective for at pile one. You have developed the loving awareness that you and everyone else are the same but on different paths. So again, it's definitely giving this energy of today for me, tomorrow for you. Okay, recognizing lessons, lives, and its cycles. And we saw the world earlier representing that energy of life and cycles. Okay, we have trust. You have a strong connection to your soul's loving voice and have faith in your intuition. So we're starting to see this person's energy of definitely an energy of maturity here. Okay, definitely an energy of maturity here. Look at this. Okay, this is the energy of maturity right here. Forgiveness. You are now able to activate the power of love in order to release past hurts. So this person is definitely on a maturing level. And I feel like what's behind here, let's have a look here, okay? Behind the Two of Cups is them exchanging, telling you how they used to do some silly things in the past, okay? The Page of Pentacles can represent that energy of the being an apprentice, taking that time to learn, and it's like this energy of like they want to say, I didn't invest, I didn't take that time to really plant those seeds. Okay, that created then a lack of clarity, not seeing the importance, not seeing the value, and I want to apologize for that. Okay, I've been taking time to work on myself because I recognized that I was imbalanced spiritually, emotionally, and I recognized until I had taken that time to work on myself, I couldn't be good for anyone because I wasn't taking that time to really recognize what it is that I wanted. And that resulted to my well running dry. And it also affected my life goals, me seeing where I wanted to be, okay, not building that time to be consistent. And I want to change that. I want to do better. I want to be better. I want to get out of this energy of thinking selfishly, thinking in a way where I've not thought about you and not prioritized you. There's definitely energy of that. That has left me feeling very burdened, okay, by, and also a lot of regrets, looking back, thinking I should have done better. And now I'm ready to release all that. It's also been like I've been going through an ego death, facing my fears, facing them, but also releasing it, not holding on to things that were no longer serving me. And this has helped me to become confident. Look at this. We have the Empress behind the Nine of Cups. The Empress behind the Nine of Cups. So it's definitely the energy of someone has known that they had to really work on themselves, build on their confidence, their strength, because that is essentially what gave them that energy of fertility to come through with the Empress. The Empress represents the energy of growth and expansion, is the energy of free as well in the tarot. Okay. So, last but not least, we're going to end the read with a romantic oracle. Okay, and let's see what messages want to come through for the collective. Okay, so let's have a look and see what wants to come through from the romantic angels oracle. What does he think of me? What does he think of me? What does he? Ooh. Ooh la la. We have chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. There is a strong chemistry feeling, energy here. And we can see it. There is a chemistry energy here. I would, again, always go with your intuition and trust your discernment. We have this energy of getting to know one another. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Your bond will deepen. Okay? Again, it's the energy of being open, expressing, okay? Vibing off one another, getting to know one another, building that consistent connection, that communication, relationship is built on that. Look at that. I feel like this has come out in this way in purpose. It's releasing any energy of codependency. Okay, the addictions are affecting. There's no addictions here. We saw that that's what the person wants to come and tell you, recognizing that there was things that were in balance. Okay, how they did things in the past. They've matured. They've seen better now. They've faced their fears. They've had there's life ups and downs. The today for me, tomorrow for you. They recognize that it's there today. It's there today to build this for themselves, and they really hope that you are on the same wavelength. Perhaps you may see them still as a love interest that you wish to pursue. Okay, getting to know one another and building on that chemistry that you both have for one another, because there's a strong magnetic attraction here. Ooh la la. So take the messages where it resonates and leave. With the say it with power, leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means it's Jamaican power, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay, so do have a look at all of the readings available at Wagwan Tarot, and stay blessed, keep sipping, stay hydrated, look good, feel good, and we'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.